Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to do a reveal on my new car. You've probably seen it already, but I'm going to do a full in-depth video if you haven't seen it yet, so stay tuned, yeah. So many of you may know I used to have the BM, the black one, 3 Series, 320i, nothing special like, but I had issues with it since I had it. It wasn't running right from the start and I had it a year and a bit. I was starting to do my head in, try to get it sorted out. Long story short, I couldn't sort it out, like, and then I couldn't be arsed then in the end. I just lost love for it. So I thought, you know what? I'll get something new, something quick, for once. Treat myself in it. So, on the count of 3, I'm going to show you anyway. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So here we have it, 2013 Renault Clio RS. Absolutely love this thing. I've had it about, I don't even know, like a month and a half. And it's been class, like, fair play. Awesome car. I did have a Clio before, a white one. But it was just a 0.9 EcoBoost crap thing, like, but this is absolute weapon, like. It's only 1.6 turbo. It's not even a 2 litre, but shifts like fuck, like. I think the weight on is about 1100k, so it doesn't weigh nothing. Bear the mess, it's absolutely filthy. I haven't even cleaned it properly since we've had it, so yeah, bear with the mess. And what I like about it, right, I wanted an auto and it is DCT. I didn't know they only come in DCT, like, but it's my first auto car. And it's much better than manual, I reckon, anyway. I think it's more fun. Absolute rapid gear changes. Yeah, we sit inside, look. So I'll start it up now. So I have little revs here. So down here we got RS mode. So currently now it's in like eco mode. I don't know if you'll hear this. Let me turn all the windows down a minute. So it's in normal mode now. If you press this button by here, it'll go sport and you'll hear the exhaust go a bit louder. So near that starts to rev a bit louder. Just give it a little rev, is it? Probably hearing the induction. I've got an ITG kit on it. Okay, let's have a look. Let's pop the bonnet. So gander. Here we go. Already got the ITG kit on it. I put that on myself. Sounds fucking nuts, fair play. I changed the bulbs to white because they were the yellow halogen ones, and then I've done the back number plate lights and I made them brighter. It's just little details, like in time I'll probably make it louder, I'll get them remapped, stuff like that, like, but all I can wait at the minute. Let me turn it off so you can hear me. So yeah, this is a beast, like. Shut this fucking bonnet. What's going on? Right. Yeah, so this is the new car, like, this will be on the channel all the time. I will end up ceramicing it and polishing and stuff. It is quite bad, the paintwork, but you know, it is pre-owned, like, so 3 owners from new. 57,000 miles, something like that. Roughly, like, whatever. Yeah, so it will get cleaned. I'll do a first wash on it soon. I'll do a ceramic video on it then, before and after, like, get you down, probably do as like a vlog or something. So yeah, this is the colour. It was one in Cardiff and it was one in Bristol, but they were like black, red, blue. Like this was the only one within budget that was in this colour, like, and I wanted this colour because when you see the liquid yellow, you know it's a RS car, like. And to be fair, it's absolutely mint. Like, it's got a tint of blue on it, like. You see it there? It's like a proper pearl colour. In my opinion, it's the only colour you can have in a Clio, like, or any fucking Renault car. It is banging. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think on it. I think it's a good decision. Bad. Should I have kept the Beamer? Fixed the problems and kept it, or should I just dumb right down and got this? Like, in my opinion, I think it's much better, and that's all I care about. But it'd be interesting to see what you guys think on it, like. So yeah, let me know. So that's it for this video, and I'll probably do some drive-bys now and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, always support the channel, as you guys do. Fair play, you are great. Yeah, so see you on the next one, yeah.